This video is part of the tutorial series created for the Texas Digital Library's Texas Data Repository, and based on a similar video set created by the Odom Institute. The Texas Data Repository is a platform for publishing and archiving datasets and other data products created by faculty, staff, and students at Texas higher education institutions. Special thanks to Texas A&M University Libraries for the use of their audiovisual suite. In this part of the series, we'll look at logging in to the Texas Data Repository and creating a collection. Here, I'm entering the Texas A&M Dataverse. A Dataverse, shown in orange, is a collection or a container that can hold more sub-dataverses and/or datasets. The dataset, signified by this blue icon, is what holds the data, files, documentation, code, and metadata for that dataset. In order to add a Dataverse to a TDR institutional Dataverse like Texas A&M's, the first step is to log in and create an account. For institutions that are part of the TDR, individuals can use their institutional affiliation to log in to the appropriate corresponding institutional Dataverse, like Texas A&M's. When you log in for the first time, you'll need to review and agree to the terms of use. In particular, note that the TDR does not accept any data with personally identifiable information. Once you have logged in, you will have permission to add data. Simply click the Add Data button and select New Dataverse from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required information, including your Dataverse name, a short URL, a category, and your email address. TDR will auto-populate some information, including your name and affiliation. You can change this information and include an optional description. Keep in mind that once you create this Dataverse, you can always go back and edit this information at a later time. For now, I'm going to skip over the metadata fields and browse search facets section, but that will be covered in a later video on customizing your Dataverse. Once you've entered all the information here, you'll just click on Create Dataverse. Now, as you can see, you're in your own Dataverse within the Texas A&M Dataverse in the Texas Data Repository. With the Dataverse created, the next step is to actually add a dataset. To learn more about creating datasets, see the next video on publishing datasets.